a very special purpose, and so I'm just gonna get it. So I got my buttons today, the subscriber buttons, and I'm really happy. And I'm gonna show you one by one. First is the silver one, and then I'll show you the better one. Okay. All right. Cool. Okay, let me fix it a little. Yeah. So, da-da! Oh, sorry, it's ulta. Yeah. And so this is how it looks. I'm so happy, and the reason that I've come online live on YouTube is because y'all are amazing, and this wouldn't have happened without you guys. Thank you so much. And the next one is, okay, any guesses? Since there are so many comments, I just okay, let me see. Okay, there are none, so I'm just going to get it. Alright. This was silver, and now this box is really big, so you can guess it's going to be like a crazy one. Thank you, YouTube! It's really heavy. This is for 1 million subscribers, and again, this wouldn't have been possible without you all and without the people who work with me with every passing video. And I'm so happy that I now have this button, and it makes me so happy to read my name on it. And thank you so much, and I'm so glad I could show you this while I was unboxing it. This is the first time I've seen it, and I'm so glad that I've seen it with you guys. Bye.